Welcome back to the Crochet Carousels, my friends at yarnspirations.com. We can have increases on these letters on the beginning of a row or ending of a row, and it all depends when you see two single crochets heading into the same stitch right underneath. So it doesn't matter which side it's going to be on, it's still the same instruction, but the neat thing about it is that there will never be anything like that within the body of the letter itself. It's only on the edging. So let me demonstrate on putting two single crochets into the same stitch. So if the pattern says at the beginning of a row to put two single crochets in the first one, just chain up one because you need the builder and place two single crochets into the same stitch, and you've now just increased the count by one by adding an extra one at the very beginning. So if you head on over and it says that you have to put two single crochets into the same one as the end, I will show you that in a second. But the neat thing about it is that you're just going to zip along. You don't worry about counting or anything along the middle. You just do it, and I'll see you at the end of the row in a moment. So if the charting is showing you the very last one should have two into the same one, just apply two into the same stitch, and you've just increased the count by one by doing the same thing. So whether it's on the beginning or the ending of the row, it could be one or the other, it could be both. It depends on the letter itself. So let's move along in our series.